Today is Christmas Day. I want to review our sales and price of UCO in 2023. This chart gives our sales to one of our clients in 2023 from October 2022 to December 2023. We can see from end of 2022 to May or April 2023, the price dropped. Each vertical line was the order from our client, from one of our clients. The price, not only the price dropped, the volume also the order dropped. In April, actually the order was stopped for a few months, and from April, June, July was very slow, and so it's correspondence to the news that some Europe biodiesel producer they shut down or reduce production because they call dumping from China. They say Chinese biodiesel manufacturer sell low price biodiesel product to Europe. That's why the feedstock requirement dropped. After July and August, the price come up, and also the order volume come up also, and they keep going quite normal until October and December. The price drop, but the volume still quite good. So we think in 2024 the order of our sales to Europe and Singapore will keep going and will be maybe average as what happened in 2023. Also, we're working hard to develop a new market that's in Europe. Last time we listened to the news that Chinese UCO export to US will increase in 2024, and today we found another news that SK in South Korea they also invest in UCO supplier in China. We can listen to the news.
SK Energy boosts Korean SAF ambitions with 40% stake in largest UCO collector. Author Sumyak Pandi Rongwei Mio. Highlights. Stake bought in Korea's top biofuel raw materials supplier. Invested in Chinese UCO company in March this year. Korean Air has launched voluntary SAF program for air cargo operations. SK Trading International, the trading arm of South Korean SK Energy, has acquired a 40% stake in the country's largest used cooking oil, UCO, collector, Daekyung ONT. It said in a statement October 17, as it aims to secure feedstock supply for biofuels like sustainable aviation fuel, SAF. This comes after the company inked an agreement October 16 to form a consortium with state-run Korea Development Bank and local private equity firm Eugene PE to acquire Daekyung ONT, with SK Trading International taking a 40% stake and the remainder split between the other two investors. Proactive preparation for the SAF market in line with our carbon to green strategy is essential for sustainability of aviation fuel market. We will not stop at investing in Daekyung and continuously make efforts domestically and internationally to evolve into a specialized trading company that provides a stable supply of SAF to industry, SK Trading International CEO Suixi said. Daekyung ONT is South Korea's largest waste-based raw material supplier for biodiesel and SAF, and procures animal fats and UCO from slaughterhouses, restaurants, and food factories. Beyond this acquisition, SK Trading International has also pledged to invest further in other local waste collectors to ensure stable supply of feedstock, it added in the statement. Previously, the firm had invested in Sichuan Xinxing, the largest UCO supplier in southwest China, to secure raw materials for SAF. The group also last year made investments in US-based Fulcrum Bioenergy, which refines synthetic crude oil to SAF. Feedstocks like UCO have been gaining prominence as key raw materials to produce biofuels, including SAF, as global demand for the cleaner aviation fuel is expected to pick up. Global SAF consumption is expected to reach 2.1 million barrels per day by 2050, displacing almost 24% of global jet fuel demand, according to S&P Global Commodity Insights SAF Market Outlook report in September. In the EU, fuel suppliers must ensure that 2% of the fuel available at its airports is SAF in 2025, rising to 6% in 2030, and eventually 70% in 2050. Meanwhile, the US aims to produce 3 billion gallons per year of SAF domestically by 2030, with plans to scale output to 35 billion gallons/year by 2050. However, SAF demand in Asia has largely been driven by airlines and arbitrage opportunities to the west, the report added. In September, South Korean flag carrier Korean Air launched a program to use SAF for air cargo operations. The flag carrier also partnered GS Caltex in June to conduct test flights using SAF, and the results will be used by the Korean government to establish SAF quality standards and accelerate commercialization. It's blue sky thinking for sustainable aviation fuel markets.
In my opinion, South Korea market will follow US market maybe in next 1 or 2 years. And we can listen to the news in Chinese again.
SK Energy 持有最大的 UCO 收藏家40%的股份，增强了韩国 SAF 的雄心。作者 Samyak Pandy Rongwei-Neo 亮点：收购了韩国最大的生物燃料原材料供应商的股份。今年3月，投资了中国 UCO 公司。大韩航空启动了自愿的航空货运业务 SAF 计划。韩国 SK 能源的贸易部门 SK 国际贸易已收购了该国最大的二手食用油 UCO 40%的股份收藏家 LiuQiao OUT 在10月17日的一份声明中表示，其目标是确保生物燃料的原料供应，并如可持续航空燃料 SAF。在此之前，该公司于10月16日签署了一项协议，与国营的韩国开发银行和当地私募股权公司 Eugene PE 组成财团，以收购大庆 OUT、SK 贸易国际收购40%的股份，其余部分由其他2位投资者分配。根据我们的碳转绿色战略，积极为 SAF 市场做准备，对于航空燃料市场的可持续发展至关重要。SK Trading International 首席执行官许书远说，我们将不止于对大庆的投资，并在国内外不断努力，以发展成为一家为工业提供稳定的 SAF 供应的专业贸易公司。LiuQiao OUT 是韩国最大的生物柴油和 SAF 废弃物原材料供应商，从屠宰场、餐馆和食品工厂采购动物脂肪和 UCO。该公司在声明中补充说，除了此次收购外， SK Trading International 还承诺进一步投资其他当地废物收集者，以确保原料的稳定供应。此前，该公司曾投资中国西南部最大的 UCO 供应商四川金商，以确保 SAF 的原材料。该集团去年还投资了总部位于美国的 Fulcrum Bioenergy， 该公司将合成原油提炼为 SAF。随着全球对清洁航空燃料的需求预计将回升，像 UCO 这样的原料作为生产生物燃料，包括 SAF 的关键原材料越来越重要。根据标普全球大宗商品洞察9月份的 SAF 市场展望报告，到2050年，全球可持续航空燃料消耗量预计将达到210万桶每日，取代全球航空燃料需求的近24%。在欧盟，燃料供应商必须确保到2025年其机场可用燃料中有2%为 SAF， 到2030年将增加到6%，最终在2050年提高到70%。同时，美国的目标是到2030年在国内每年生产30亿加仑的 SAF， 并计划到2050年将产量扩大到每年350亿加仑。但是报告补充说，亚洲的 SAF 需求主要是由航空公司和西方的套利机会推动的。9月， 韩国旗舰航空公司大韩航空启动了一项使用 SAF 进行航空货运业务的计划。这家旗舰航空公司还在6月与 GS Caltex 合作，使用 SAF 进行试飞。韩国政府将利用结果制定 SAF 质量标准，并加速商业化。这是可持续航空燃料市场的蓝天思维。
So, for next year, we will keep traditional market as Europe and Singapore, and keep focus on US market. And at the same time, we will try to develop more in new market like South Korea and Japan. Again, Happy New Year. If you have any question or comment, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.